Reggae Facts. Jamaica has had many reggae songs topping the UK singles chart. The first was Israelites by Desmond Dekker and the Aces in April 1969. The second reggae song to top the UK charts was Double Barrel by Dave and Ansel Collins in May 1971. Other Jamaican songs which held the top spot include Everything I Own by Ken Booth in 1974, Uptown Top Ranking by Althea and Donna in 1978, I Wanna Wake Up With You, Boris Gardner, 1986, Twist and Shout by Chakademus and Pliers featuring Jack Radix in 1994, Breathe by Blue Cantrell featuring Sean Paul in 2003, What About Us by The Saturdays featuring Sean Paul in 2013, Cheerleader by Omi in 2015, and Rockabye by Clean Bandit featuring Sean Paul and Anne-Marie in 2016. Now, Shaggy has had the most #1 hits on the UK charts. Oh Carolina, 1993, Bombastic, 1995, It Wasn't Me featuring Rick Rock, 2001, and Angel featuring Rayvon in 2001. Reggae Facts was brought to you with the kind support of the Jamaica Association of Composers, Authors and Publishers, JCAP, valuing your musical creativity.